As a new school year begins, a lot of teen drivers are driving themselves to school for the first time. Lots of excitement. I remember those days.
Yes.
David Greene from Greene Phillips Injury Lawyers is here to talk to us about what should parents be saying to those teen drivers. What do we need to keep in mind?
You need to sit down with your child and explain to them the rules of the road, just sort of walk through it with them. I know Judge always likes to understand, likes to hear those. We talked to all our kids about it. He has his chicken with him this morning.
That's right.
But talk to them about the rules of the road. Talk to them about slowing down, staying off their cell phones, really paying attention to the roadways. There's so many littles, as we call them, children that are getting on the bus, getting off the bus, their parents walking across crosswalks. You need to slow down, turn the music down. I know kids don't like to hear that.
No.
Slow down, turn the music down, put the phone down.
Put the phone down. Let's talk about, though, if a teen, it can be scary if they're involved in their very first accident. What would you like them to remember? Their parents are watching. This is what you should instill in your kids.
Number one, do not panic. Do not panic. Stop your vehicle. Do not try to leave the scene. I'm sure that anyone that has had this happen would be afraid. Stop your vehicle, stay at the scene. That is number one. Get out and make sure that you try to help the person that may have been struck. Always stay at the scene. Talk to the folks about what happened. It's super important to make sure you do not leave the scene. That could be a big problem for you. It could be criminal liability if you leave the scene. We don't want to do that. Call 911 and then proceed on from there. These situations can be very, very scary for kids. It's almost like your brain stops. You think, oh gosh, my parents told me to, if something happens, yes, I'm in trouble. You would be in a whole lot more trouble if you leave. Stay at the scene. Super important. Make sure that you stay. Call 911, help the person that's injured or people or whatever, but always stay there. Super important.
What are some of the mistakes that you see these young drivers may be making if they are involved in an accident or just on the roads?
Well, I just think that they're playing on their cell phone, having too many people in the car, listening to the person in the back seat when you need to be paying attention to driving. That can happen. We had a rule for a long time. You're driving yourself and one other for a while. I know there's some state rules regarding that, but it's just important to make sure they understand this is a very powerful machine that they're driving. Whatever it is, it's heavy, it's traveling at a high rate of speed, which is a lot faster than anybody can walk, right?
That's right.
The speed limits are 20, 30, 50 miles an hour. Slow down, pay attention, call 911 if you're involved in a crash, but stay at the scene.
And Judge knows all this, so he said he's out of here, and anyone can pop in and see the lawyers at Greene Phillips Injury Lawyers.